Next year's ICS meeting is in Madrid, a really attractive location, and once again your chance to get updated on all things functional urology and gynecology and continence.
In what we do in dealing with incontinence, pelvic floor dysfunction, neurogenic bladder, the multidisciplinarity is really key. This is not the urologist alone, or the gynecologist alone, or the neurologist alone, or the PMR physician alone who will deal with all the problems those patients have. We really need to have this group of several disciplines together, and to me the ICS is the only meeting worldwide where you have all these international renowned experts and all these passionate people about those problems gathering together in one place for several days and discussing all these issues.
An ICS meeting for me is meeting people. It's encounter, it's being with professionals and with friends, working together in different disciplines as urologists, gynecologists, physiotherapists, nurses, and so on.
As chair of the scientific committee, I think once again it's going to be a really exciting and enthralling exercise to make sure we get the cream of academic output into the meeting, but also ensure that it really is truly is attractive and inclusive to everyone.
Within the meeting there's always lots of different things for the nurses to attend, but specifically for the nurses there's also the nursing forum where all the nurses get together for one session. They talk about things that's particularly pertinent to nursing practice, but also allows a great networking opportunity amongst the nurses from all over the world.
ICS, from a physiotherapy point of view, is the only international conference where physiotherapists can showcase their research to other MDT members. So that is quite unique in itself, but also ICS allows you to sort of network, with everyone around the world.
To submit an abstract is a unique way of presenting the results of your research to an audience of interested people. Not only this will offer the possibility to share your work or the results of your work, but also to get the feedback from the specialists in the field, and so making your work better and prepare, for example, for a future publication.
Madrid is an affordable city. That is very important with good communication. We have more than 200 flights, direct flights from everywhere around the world. We have a lot of hotels very close to the IFEMAC, that is where we will have the meeting. And Madrid is for sure a city ready to host an ICS meeting.
Madrid, 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 pedazo de la España en que nací, por algo te hizo Dios, la cuna del requiebro y del chotí. Madrid, 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 en México se piensa mucho.